Section 1. Introduction. Take control of your money. Want to master your money? You're in the right place. It's easier than you think. Just 10 minutes can set you on the path to financial success. No matter where you live, US or UK, these hacks will empower you. Let's dive in. Taking control of your finances can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Small, consistent steps lead to big results over time. This guide provides practical tips and tricks. You can implement these immediately. No more feeling overwhelmed by money matters. We'll break down complex concepts. You'll gain the knowledge to make smart financial decisions. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Let's embark on this journey together. Your journey towards financial freedom begins now. Section 2, Budgeting Hacks, US Edition. Budgeting is key to financial health. It's about understanding where your money goes. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point. Allocate 50% of your income to needs. Needs include rent, groceries, and utilities. Next, dedicate 30% to wants. Wants are things you enjoy but don't need. Think dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. The remaining 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment. This simple framework provides structure. Leverage technology to simplify budgeting. Numerous apps connect to your bank accounts. They automatically track your spending. Popular choices include Mint, Personal Capital, and YNAB. You need a budget. These apps provide a clear picture of your cash flow. They also offer personalized insights and recommendations. This helps you identify areas to cut back and save more effectively. Section 3, Budgeting Hacks, UK Edition. Budgeting in the UK follows similar principles. The 50-30-20 rule remains applicable. Adjust the categories to reflect local costs. Consider council tax, TV license, and transportation expenses. Numerous apps cater specifically to UK residents. These include Emma, Money Dashboard, and Chip. They offer features tailored to the UK financial landscape. Take advantage of these tools to streamline your budgeting process. Embrace the power of open banking. This allows you to connect all your financial accounts in one place. You can view your balances and transactions across different providers. This holistic view empowers you to manage your finances more effectively. Remember, budgeting is not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices. Prioritize spending on what matters most to you. This ensures a financially secure and fulfilling life. Section 4. Smart Investing. Getting started in the US. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth. Start by understanding your risk tolerance. This determines how comfortable you are with potential fluctuations in your investments. Consider your time horizon and financial goals. For beginners, index funds are a great option. They offer broad market exposure with low fees. Consider opening a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. These accounts provide tax advantages for retirement savings. Explore robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. These platforms automate investing based on your goals and risk tolerance. They offer a hassle-free way to start building your portfolio. Remember, investing involves risk. It's essential to do your research. Diversify your investments to mitigate potential losses. Section 5. Smart Investing, UK Opportunities. The UK offers diverse investment opportunities. ISAs, or individual savings accounts, are a tax-efficient way to invest. Consider a cash ISA for short-term savings or a stocks and shares ISA for long-term growth. Explore investment platforms like Hargreaves Lansdown or Vanguard. These platforms provide access to a wide range of investment options. They offer research tools and educational resources to support your investment decisions. Consider investing in property. The UK property market has historically shown resilience. Research different regions and property types carefully. Seek professional advice before making any significant investment. Remember, past performance is not an indicator of future returns. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Section 6. Savings Strategies. Maximizing your US dollar. Saving is the cornerstone of financial stability. Start by building an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account for easy access. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans. Contribute enough to receive the full employer match. This is essentially free money. Maximize your contributions to grow your savings faster. Explore other savings vehicles like CDs or certificates of deposit or money market accounts. These offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Consider your time horizon and liquidity needs when choosing. Remember, small amounts add up over time. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account. This ensures consistent progress towards your savings goals. Section 7. Saving strategies making your pounds grow. Saving effectively is crucial in the UK. Start by building a rainy day fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. Keep this money easily accessible in a high-interest savings account. Maximize your workplace pension contributions. Your employer might match a portion of your contributions. This is free money. Consider increasing your contributions to boost your retirement savings. Explore Help to Save accounts if you're eligible. These government-backed accounts offer a bonus for saving regularly. They're a great option for those on low incomes looking to build their savings. Remember, every pound saved is a step towards financial security. Set realistic savings goals and track your progress regularly. Celebrate your milestones to stay motivated on your savings journey. Section 8. The power of compound interest. A universal truth. Compound interest is your best friend in finance. It's the principle of earning interest on your interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Imagine investing £1,000 at a 7% annual return. After 10 years, you'd have approximately £1,967. After 20 years, it would grow to around £3,870. That's the power of compounding. Even small contributions made consistently can make a significant difference over time. Don't underestimate the impact of starting early. The sooner you begin, the more you benefit from this financial phenomenon. Remember, compound interest is a long-term game. Be patient and let your money grow steadily over time. Reinvest your earnings to maximize the compounding effect. Section 9. Seeking expert advice. When and where. Seeking professional financial advice can be beneficial. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. They can help you create a financial plan tailored to your specific circumstances. Look for advisors who are fiduciaries. This means they're legally obligated to act in your best interest. They can provide objective advice and help you navigate complex financial decisions. Research potential advisors thoroughly. Check their credentials, experience, and fee structure. Ask for referrals from trusted sources. Choose an advisor who aligns with your financial goals and values. Remember, you're ultimately responsible for your financial decisions. While seeking expert advice is valuable, make sure you understand the recommendations and feel comfortable with them. Section 10. Taking action. Your 10 minutes start now. You've learned valuable financial hacks. Now it's time to take action. Dedicate just 10 minutes to implement one tip from this guide. Small steps lead to significant progress over time. Start by tracking your spending for a week. Identify areas where you can cut back. Set up automatic savings transfers to effortlessly grow your emergency fund. Research investment options and choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance. Remember, consistency is key. Make financial wellness a habit by dedicating 10 minutes each week to managing your money. You'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on your financial well-being. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. The best time is now. Take charge of your financial future today. Section 11. Conclusion. Financial freedom within reach. Mastering your money doesn't have to be complicated. By implementing these practical hacks, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. Whether you're in the US or the UK, the principles of budgeting, investing, and saving remain universal. Embrace the power of compound interest and seek expert advice when needed. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and watch your financial aspirations become a reality. Your financial journey starts today. Embrace the challenge, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the rewards of financial freedom. You've got this.